Italian cuisine b Italiano doc. Italian cuisine, Italiano doc. Italian food is considered popular and delicious around the world for centuries, with its savory tomato sauces, those clever things they do with wheat flour, and desserts that are vehicles for cream. Italian cuisine is a Mediterranean diet, often touted as having the right balance of a little meat, good fat in extra virgin olive oil, and a lot of seafood, vegetables, grains and pulses, all washed down with wine. In observation of 24 countries, pizza and pasta take the top of the list. An international YouGov study of more than 25,000 people in 24 countries finds that pizza and pasta are among the most popular foods in the world, as Italian food gained more popularity in the world as modern and innovative cuisine. Italian food has extraordinary scope and also succeeded in gaining the attention of food lovers all over the globe for its unique and innovative style of cooking. Fresh, flavorful, and delightfully simple, sun-kissed Italian modern cuisine is famous all around the world. Burrata is another unique and modern recipe for Italian cuisine. Puglia is rich, buttery artisanal cheese of outstanding quality, is made from mozzarella and fresh cream, and is best when served within 24 hours. Cannoli are Italian pastries that come from the island of Sicily and modern and innovative food of Italian cuisine. Basically, cannoli consist of tube-shaped shells of deep-fried pastry dough that are then filled with a slightly sweet and creamy filling, that's usually made from ricotta cheese. This wild mushroom crostini is an awesome and modern vegetarian dish of Italy to have in your arsenal, and can be easily adapted for vegans by omitting the cream and milk. Truffles in Italy come in two forms: the scarce and more aromatic white truffle, or the slightly less aromatic and slightly more common black truffle. Carbonara is a simple and innovative dish of Italian cuisine that consists of spaghetti, eggs, pecorino cheese, cured guanciale, and black pepper. Panzanella is a healthy and innovative bread and tomato salad usually served in central Italy during the hot summer months. Cicchetti resembles Spanish tapas. Cicchetti is small, reasonably priced plates of food served in Venice's traditional wine bars, called Baccari. Modern Italian cuisine is an amazing mixture of Greek, Arab, and Spanish influences, but if you only have one meal here, let it be caponata, the island's beloved eggplant dish. Caponata is a gorgeous sweet and sour sauce that makes it such an unforgettable vegetarian treat. Caponata contains onions, celery, capers, and whatever vegetables people have in their kitchens. And there is no specific recipe for caponata, as every house and restaurant has its version. Thanks for watching.